Labbe Lubab, welcome to my channel Labbe Lubab.
Israeli academic and filmmaker Haim Brashith shares his perspective on the current global geopolitical landscape. It's an insightful take that adds an important angle to the conversation. Watch the clip and let us know what you think about his views in the comments.
Between the United States, Britain, and Israel, Israel is the chaos engine. It's the chaos engine of the West. It's serving this machinery of destruction. So, Iraq, gone, basket case. Libya, East Africa, Yemen, Syria, Lebanon, gone. And now Iran, and on the plan, Israel is now supporting the Baluchi militia against Pakistan. So actually what you see is a destruction of societies, the destruction of whole countries, of a huge area that gave us writing, architecture, art, religion, culture. This is the area that has given to humanity more than any other area. This is the area that the West is destroying day and night, week by week, year after year. This is what they are going to do in Iran.